Rafale dogfight continues between Congress Member of Parliament Rahul Gandhi and the Bharatiya Janata Party. A day after France's National Financial Prosecutor's Office ordered a judicial probe over the alleged corruption charges in the Rafale deal, Rahul Gandhi has decided to mock the Prime Minister. Through his post on social media site Instagram, Rahul Gandhi has put out an image and that appears to be mocking the Prime Minister with his beard, and there's a caption, and I quote here, "Chor ki dadi," meaning thief's beard. But this is not the first time, remember, Rahul Gandhi has attacked the Prime Minister in this manner. In the past as well, he had referred to Chaukidar Chor hai to target Modi. He had used that surname, which had also led to a defamation notice, and he had to appear in the court recently. All this had happened earlier in the run-up to 2019 elections. This time, the furious BJP has decided to respond to Rahul Gandhi, and leading the charge is BJP's IT cell head Amit Malviya. He has said that Rahul, after having heaped choicest abuses to the Prime Minister in the run-up to elections in 2019, has now stooped to a further level. He's further added that people across India rejected Rahul Gandhi in 2019, but he's most welcome to fight 2024 elections on the same issue.
अब 24 घंटे से ऊपर हो गए। फ्रांस ने राफेल में भ्रष्टाचार, इन्फ्लुएंस पेडलिंग, मनी लॉन्ड्रिंग, फेवरेटिज्म, इन तमाम पहलुओं पर जांच फ्रांस ने बैठा ली है। इस बात को 24 घंटे से ऊपर हो गए, लेकिन पूरा देश, पूरा विश्व इंतजार कर रहा है, देख रहा है दिल्ली की ओर। चुप्पी क्यों है? सरकार की तरफ से कोई टिप्पणी, कोई जवाब, कुछ नहीं।
Remember, earlier as well, the Congress party had demanded a joint parliamentary committee investigation into the deal after a judicial probe over alleged corruption was ordered in France. Take a look at this report on what the Congress has been asking for over the Rafale deal. Take a look.
Rafale, India's most formidable fighter aircraft. Caught in the vicious political battle from the day Modi government inked the deal for the acquisition of 36 jets. And a fresh political dogfight has now exploded again. The Congress party has now yet again raked up the 59,000 crore Rafale deal, reiterating its claim of a scam in the purchase of 36 jets. The Congress' fresh salvo came after France's National Financial Prosecutor's Office ordered judicial probe into the charges of corruption and favoritism in the Dassault-built fighter jets. Claiming vindication, the Congress party has demanded a joint parliamentary committee probe into the jet purchase.
The facts now clearly tell and call for a thorough JPC probe into Rafale scam. Will the Prime Minister, like the French now, answer to the nation?
Congress even accused both French and Modi government of deleting anti-corruption clause in the intergovernment agreement.
It is important to remember that the defense procurement procedure in India contains a mandatory clause, anti-corruption clause, which means no gifts, no commission, no middlemen, no bribery. The French government and the Dassault, they wanted the anti-corruption clauses deleted. Surprisingly, in September 2016, Government of India and the Prime Minister agreed to delete the anti-corruption clauses.
The ruling BJP has hit back at the Congress, claiming that they are spreading lies again.
किस प्रकार से झूठ फैलाना है, किस प्रकार से भ्रम फैलाना है, इसका पर्यायवाची शब्द आज कांग्रेस बन चुका है। सोवरेन कंट्री में अगर कोई भी एनजीओ किसी चार्ज को लेकर कंप्लेंट करती है, आगे बढ़ती है, और वहाँ की जो इन्वेस्टिगेटिव फाइनेंशियल प्रोसिक्यूशन की बॉडी है, उन्होंने एक मैजिस्ट्रेट अपॉइंट किया है, तो इसको एक करप्शन के रूप में देखने की आवश्यकता है, ये हमें नहीं लगता है।
With the Congress keeping its foot on the Rafale pedal, despite 2019 poll rout and Supreme Court's clean chit to Narendra Modi government, the upcoming monsoon session of Parliament is set to be stormy as the party has vowed to raise the issue in the House. Bureau Report, India Today.